ये तो रो
बोलो
मैम। इंटरपर्सनल, इंफॉर्मेशनल, डिसीजनल
ओके
एंड
ओके ओके what are the
इंटरपर्सनल
theories
में फिगर। यस मैम।
what are the theories that come under neoclassical approach to management?
न्यू क्लासिकल अप्रोच, I forget that मैम।
Okay. Okay, remove yourself and join.
थैंक यू मैम।
Sonal? 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 Can you hear me? Okay, till Sonal joins, Satyam, I'll take yours and Sonal is here. Okay. Wait. Sonal roll number 6 and Satyam roll number
21.
21. Sonali का roll number क्या है? 9. Okay. Satyam, you tell me. Who proposed scientific management theory?
Scientific management theory. Scientific management, Henry Fayol.
And administrative management?
Administrative management, yeah. F.W. Trucker.
What are the types of skills needed by a manager?
Types of skills needed by a manager. Types of skills. Don't know.
Okay. What do you think is the nature of management? Put some light on the nature of management.
Repeat your question, ma'am.
What can you tell me some of the points on nature of management?
Ma'am, you are unaudible.
Nature of management. सोनाली तुमको सोनल तुमको आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am. आ रही है.
Yes, ma'am, आ रही है.
ठीक है.
Nature of management, ma'am. It's a goal-oriented. You economic resources. And और क्या था? अभी तो पढ़ा था. Intangible, ma'am.
ठीक है. चलो, you can remove yourself.
Thank you, ma'am.
Exit करो. Sonal?
Yes, ma'am.
Who proposed scientific management theory?
Henry Fayol.
And who proposed administrative theory?
Don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Conceptual skills are needed mostly by which level of management?
That conception skills needed by that high level of management.
Okay. Human skills?
The human skills are needed middle level of management.
Technical skills?
Technical skills is needed in that lower level of management.
Management is interdisciplinary. What is the meaning of this sentence?
Interdisciplinary. Yes, interdisciplinary. Interdisciplinary means that every should be in the discipline. Work will be in the discipline by exact process.
Okay. Can you tell me some of the skills required in the interpersonal that comes under interpersonal category of a manager?
No, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay. Can you tell me some of the uses of good management?
Good management.
Use of good management. Good management क्या करता है organization में?
Yes, ma'am. Good. The uses of good management is is a big responsibility, and is how to manage everything um, from and for example, I can say an example, ma'am. Okay. uh, for example, if some work like mobile, if अगर कोई किसी को अगर फोन अगर बनाना है तो भाई उस from the manufacturing and to the market, what is will be the market price, and what will what is the how it is the beneficial for them and the business, and from that
ठीक
and
है, चलो,
that is big responsibility
ठीक
management.
ठीक है, you can exit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nancy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You tell me, who proposed scientific management theory?
Ma'am, F.W. Taylor,
Who proposed administrative theory?
Henry Fayol.
Okay. What are some theories under new classical approach to management? Name some theories.
Ma'am, Henry Fayol.
बताइए.
Ma'am, division of work.
नहीं नहीं.
Uh,
Name those theories which are there under new classical approach to management. Which are those theories? Just now you said, na? Just now I asked you the question.
Ma'am, F.W. Taylor. Ma'am, I didn't
That
recognize.
F.W. Taylor is the name of person. You need to tell me the theory that he
Scientific
proposed.
theory.
Scientific
Scientific
management theory. ठीक से बोलो.
Okay, ma'am.
Scientific
Scientific
management.
management theory.
हाँ. Okay. Can you tell me
He
some of the
focused on the
skills?
lower level of the organization, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me some of the skills needed by manager in the organization?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, conceptual skill,
Hmm.
personal skill, interpersonal skill, informational skill. That's all.
Okay. You tell me. Can you tell me some of the roles of a manager?
Yes, ma'am. Interpersonal role, informational role, and decisional role, ma'am. Interpersonal role, that is figurehead, ma'am.
Hmm.
Leaders, listening.
Okay. 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 What are the qualities of a good manager?
Ma'am.
चलो, it's okay. कोई बात नहीं. You can exit.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Aditya? Tell me the theory proposed by F.W. Taylor. Good morning. Tell me the theory proposed by F.W. Taylor.
Scientific theory, ma'am.
Scientific management theory. ठीक से बोलो.
मैम आप साइंटिफिक थ्योरी लिखवाएं.
Scientific
अच्छा,
management theory.
अच्छा हम उसको अपडेट कर देते हैं मैम.
चलो. Who proposed the administrative theory?
हेनरी फ्योल मैम.
Can you tell me the disadvantages of having too many levels in a hierarchy?
मतलब हायरार्की मतलब मैम ऊपर से नीचे वाला.
Levels is known as hierarchy. Can you tell me some of the disadvantages of having too many hierarchy in an organization? बहुत ज्यादा लेवल होगा किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में तो उसका क्या डिसएडवांटेज हो सकता है?
मैम कोई काम ढंग से नहीं कर पाएगा.
भाई ऐसे बोलोगे? चलो, next question. Listen carefully. Identification of activities, grouping of activities, assignment of jobs, delegation of authority, authority responsibility relationship, ये सब, these come under which function of management?
मैम साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट थ्योरी.
Name 5 functions of management.
प्लानिंग, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, स्टाफिंग, डायरेक्टिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग.
ठीक है. Okay, you can exit.
थैंक यू मैम.
Abhishek, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Good
So-
morning.
Good morning. Switch on your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Which are the 5 functions of management?
Planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and staffing.
You tell me. Recruitment and selection, training and development, performance appraisal, all these activities come under which function of management?
Please repeat, ma'am.
Recruitment, selection, training and development, performance appraisal, all these kinds of activities, they come under which function of management?
Directing.
Um, can you tell me some of the activities or some of the things which are used for directing the people? Direction में क्या क्या आता है? 5 functions of management पढ़ते हो ना, तो directing में क्या क्या आता है?
Directing.
If you don't know the answer, just tell me, ma'am, I don't know. Next question.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me some of the skills which are needed by managers in the organization?
Education.
Skills.
Education. Skills or education and
Management is an art or science?
both. Management.
Management is interdisciplinary. What does this mean?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. Okay, you exit. Your name?
Abhishek. Ma'am.
Abhishek. Roll number?
Abhishek Kumar Yadav, roll number 20.
Okay, you exit. Exit. Shreya. Roll number 11. Shreya, who proposed scientific management theory?
Scientific management, Mary Parker Follett.
Okay. Who proposed administrative theory?
F.W. Taylor, ma'am.
Who proposed administrative theory?
Administrative theory.
What are the skills which are needed by manager in an organization?
Education, training,
Skills,
intelligence,
skills. Which are
skills.
the skills needed by manager in the organization? Management is interdisciplinary. What does this mean?
No, ma'am.
You tell me recruitment and selection, training and development, performance appraisal, all these activities come under which function of management? Management is an art or science?
Both.
Can you tell me some of the points relating to nature of management? What is the nature of
Nature.
management? Chalo, you can exit, okay? Shreya, you can exit. Aushi,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the name of some of the theories which are proposed under neoclassical approach to management? Which are the skills needed by a manager in the organization? No. You tell me delegation of authority, authority responsibility assignment relationship, ये सब कौन सा function है management का? Who proposed scientific management theory? Who proposed? Administrative theory. Management is an art or science? She.
Art or science, ma'am?
What is it? क्या होता है? Art होता है कि science होता है?
Both. नहीं, दोनों होता है, ma'am.
चलो, you can remove. Ajit,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me some of the theories which are proposed under neoclassical approach to management?
Scientific administrations.
Who
And
proposed
Yeah.
scientific management theory?
F.W. Taylor.
Okay. And who proposed administrative theory?
I have no answer about it, ma'am.
Acha. Which are the skills which are needed by manager in an organization?
Proper qualifications, training,
No. Skills. What are the skills needed?
skills, interpersonal skills, informational skills, and decisional skills.
Okay. Management is an art or science?
Both.
Management is interdisciplinary. What does this mean?
This is a mean about that he has to work and properly discipline work, and he has
Re-
to control properly.
Okay. Recruitment and selection, performance appraisal, training and development, all these activities come under which function of management?
Staffing.
Good. Give me the names of 5 functions of management.
There is a 5 function of planning, staffing, controlling, directing. That's it.
Chalo, you can exit. Roll number?
Thank you. 24.
24. Ajit, 24. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Exit.
Good morning.
Good morning. Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You tell me who proposed scientific management theory?
Henry.
Henry Fayol.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me 5 functions of management?
Directing,
All 5 functions.
production, controlling, staffing, directing. Ma'am, और नहीं याद आ रहा.
Management is an art or science?
Ma'am, both.
Okay. You tell me management is interdisciplinary. What does this mean?
Interpersonally. Ma'am, no idea.
No idea. You tell me delegation of authority, authority responsibility relationship, ये कौन सा function of management है?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Authority responsibility relationship, okay, and delegation of authority comes under which function of management?
Ma'am, नहीं याद आ रही ma'am.
Pooja, roll number 14. You can exit.
14, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Switch on your camera. Can you tell me some of the theories proposed under neoclassical approach to management?
Yes, ma'am.
Neoclassical approach to management में कौन सी theories आती है?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Who proposed scientific management theory?
Ma'am, F.W. Taylor.
Okay. Who proposed administrative theory?
Administrative theory, ma'am. वो क्या नाम? Henry Fayol, ma'am.
कौन सा skills required होता है एक manager को industry में? Which are the skills required by a manager in industry?
Ma'am, वो well trained होना चाहिए, well educated.
No, the
They were
skills.
Technical skills, ma'am, conceptual skills, and they were open-minded.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Management is interdisciplinary. What does this mean?
This means they are connected with top levels to bottom levels, managers levels to employees level.
Okay. You tell me, management is an art or science?
Management is art and science both, ma'am.
Recruitment and selection, performance appraisal, training and development, ये सारे activities किस function of management में आते हैं?
मैम स्टाफिंग के अंदर को.
Very good. चलिए, you can exit now.
Ma'am, I can review.
हाँ, Krishna, you can leave. Saroj?
Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Your roll number? 13.
Ma'am, 13.
Tell me some of the theories which have been proposed under neoclassical approach to management.
Ma'am, theories. Ma'am, याद नहीं है.
Who proposed scientific management theory?
Henry Fayol.
Henry Fayol. And who proposed administrative theory?
I'm sorry, administrative theory Henry Fayol होगा. और scientific theory, ma'am, scientific theory याद नहीं, आप बताए थे उनका नाम, याद नहीं आ रहा है.
ठीक है. Management is interdisciplinary. What does this mean?
Ma'am, management is interdisciplinary because मैम वो management connected है एक दूसरे से, तो
किससे?
इसलिए अगर मैम मतलब मैम मतलब एक मैनेजमेंट है, मतलब किसी भी कंपनी का मैम, तो उसमें जितने भी स्टाफ है, जितने भी वर्कर्स हैं, टॉप लेवल, मिडिल लेवल, लो लेवल, सब एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है.
ठीक है. ये बताओ, डेलीगेशन ऑफ अथॉरिटी या अथॉरिटी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रिलेशनशिप, ये किस फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में आता है? ये एक्टिविटीज किस फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में आती है?
मैम, ऑपरेशन.
Operation is it a function of management? You name 5 functions of management.
मैम, प्लानिंग,
Hmm.
कोऑर्डिनेटिंग, कंट्रोलिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, डिसीजन मेकिंग.
चलो, you can exit.
थैंक यू मैम.
Bittu? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. Tell me, which are the theories proposed under neoclassical approach to management?
Classical approach.
Neoclassical approach. Classical तुम पढ़ाए ही नहीं अभी.
Classical approach, ma'am. F.W. Taylor.
F.W. Taylor is not the name of theory. He has proposed a theory. Name that theory.
Administrative theory, ma'am.
और
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Administrative theory. और Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. You tell me, management is an art or science?
And management is art and science both.
Both. Okay. Management is interdisciplinary. What does this mean?
And interdisciplinary, that means it include economic, political science, psychology. That with the help of economic managers should able to take a decision in the organization.
Okay. You tell me, motivation, supervising, leadership, guiding, command, communication. ये कौन सा function of management में आता है?
And they are included in the direct function.
Good. Name 5 functions of management.
Planning,
Hmm.
organizing, staffing, and directing, controlling.
Good. You can exit.
Thank you.
Rohit,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me which are the theories proposed under neoclassical approach?
Classical new. Pass, ma'am.
Pass to whom? Say I don't know. Okay.
Mm,
Who proposed
no, ma'am.
scientific management theory?
Scientific management theory.
No.
No, ma'am.
Who proposed Henry Fayol's theory? What is the name of the theory that Henry Fayol has proposed?
Henry Fayol. मैम इसका क्या बताना है?
कौन सी थ्योरी प्रपोज की हेनरी फ्योल ने? Okay. Name 5 functions of management.
Name 5 functions of management. Planning.
Okay.
Organizing. No, ma'am. पूरा नहीं याद है.
What are the skills needed by a manager in an organization?
Manager and organization skills.
What are the qualities of a good manager?
Quality of a good manager. Good managers. No, ma'am.
No? Okay, chalo. You can exit.
Okay.